everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a super cute mini flower charm you can hang on your favorite bag or keychain. It's simple, quick, and makes a lovely handmade accent to any outfit. We'll use 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Please watch until the end. Your views and likes really help us create more free tutorials. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more weekly crochet projects. Let's start with the flower. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets inside. Then join with a slip stitch to close the round. Great job! This will be the base of our tiny flower. Tip: keep your stitches tight so the center looks neat and compact. For round 2, chain 1 and make 1 increase in each stitch all around. That's 2 single crochets per stitch. You'll have 12 stitches in total. Slip stitch to join. The flower is already beginning to take shape. Tip: count your stitches carefully to keep the circle even. Round 3. Chain 1, then repeat 1 increase, 1 single crochet 6 times around. Join with a slip stitch. You should see a nice, smooth circle forming. Tip: don't forget to relax your hands and keep your tension steady. Next, round 4. Chain 1, then work 1 decrease, followed by 1 single crochet, repeating this pattern 6 times around. Slip stitch to join. This round gently pulls the edge inward, creating a soft flower shape. Tip: use the invisible decrease technique if you want a cleaner look. Round 5. Chain 1, then make 1 decrease and slip stitch to close. You've just created the center bump of the flower. It looks so adorable already. Tip: you can slightly stuff the center if you want a puffier look. For round 6, chain 1 and make 6 increases, that's 2 single crochets in each stitch. This will create the outer petal edge. Slip stitch to finish and fasten off. Your mini flower is complete. Tip: shape the petals with your fingers to make them look round and even. Now, let's make the leaf. Chain 14, skip the first chain, and work slip stitch. Single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 trebles, 2 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, and finally 1 slip stitch. Fasten off and weave the ends. You now have a lovely little leaf to pair with your flower. Tip: slightly pull the center to give the leaf a natural curve. Finally, let's make the hanging cord. Depending on how long you want it, chain 70, 80, or even 120 stitches. That's it. You can adjust the length for a shorter charm or a long hanging loop. Once done, attach it to the flower and leaf using a needle or directly crochet them together. Tip: add a small bead or bow for extra decoration. And we're done. Your mini flower charm for bag is complete, small, cute, and perfect for gifts or accessories. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating new crochet ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.